Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to use quick replies on Instagram. So before using the quick reply option, you have to make sure that you have a professional account because this feature of Instagram doesn't work with the personal account. Okay, so after shifting your account to the professional account, you have to click on the home screen. Then you have to click on that three lines. After that you have to go to the settings. Then you have to click on the creator. If you have a creator account, here it will show the creator option, or if you have a business account, here it will show a business option. So click on the creator option and you can see on the fifth that save replies. You have to click on this and suppose that I have added this thank you for your support reply. You can add more replies by clicking on the plus icon. Then you have to create any of the shortcut. For example, I am again creating thanks. Then I am typing the message thank you for your help, and then you have to click on take. Okay, as you can see, this reply has been saved. Then now I'll show you that how this works. First of all, you have to come on your home screen, then you have to come to your inbox and open any of the chat. For example, I'm opening this. Then you have to type the shortcut that you have created. For example, I am typing thanks. Then you can see that the saved reply has been appeared. Then you have to click on this and it will appear. And then you have to click on send, and there is another option that you have to click on this plus icon, and you can see here save replies, and all of your saved replies will appear here. Okay, so this feature first of all save your time and let you to reply any of your message instantly. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you find it a little bit informative, kindly share it to your friends and family and subscribe to the channel.